Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 18 equals 5 times x plus 3. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. Use the same operation on both sides to keep the equation equal. The variable is on the right. Switch the two sides so the variable is on the left. Subtract 3 from both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives 5 times x equals 15. The variable coefficient is 5. Divide both sides by 5 to leave the variable alone. Quick check, substitute 3 for x. Both sides equal 18, so the equation balances. So, x equals 3.